Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I will show you how you can manage SIM cards on dual SIM phones. So let's start. Alright, so here I am using a Samsung device and it is actually a dual SIM. Now to manage the SIM on your device, simply go to settings right here. And from this one, you can go to connections. And here you can see that we have an option for SIM manager. So let's tap on this one. And from this one, I have two SIM cards in here from two different mobile providers. So you can tap this toggle switch to turn the SIM 2 on, like so, and click on turn on. And this second SIM is going to be turned on. As we can see in here, I have my Wi-Fi, my SIM 1, and this should be my SIM 2 over here. All right, so after turning it on, you will have few options here below under preferred SIMs. So here you have a preferred SIM for calls. To change this one, if you want to use your SIM 2 to receive calls or make calls, you just tap on this one and choose SIM 2 if you want to. So here you also have an option for your messages. So if you open this one, you will have an option to choose between SIM 1 and SIM 2 to receive and send your messages. Also for your mobile data, if you open this one, you can choose which SIM card to use if you are going to open up your data. And here we have an option called data switching and backup calling. So it means that if the SIM card in your mobile data is not working, it should use the other SIM card. Alright, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.